Most websites that promise easy money end up wasting your time, but today I am sharing 3 websites you can join for free that have paid many users, including one that paid me, and that's what you are seeing on the screen. I have personally earned this amount, and you can see that this is a real proof from this platform. But that doesn't mean you will earn the same amount. I want you to understand that very well. If you're looking for free ways to earn online without investing any money, these are worth checking out. Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I regularly share legitimate online income opportunities, remote jobs, and AI tools that can help you earn online. Today's list is completely free to join, and some of these websites may have waiting lists, so you need to understand that, or limited tax depending on your location and other things, especially your experience as well. So please make sure that you do your due diligence, and remember that there is no promise. I'm just sharing my own personal experience. Okay, now the first website on the list is ySense, and that's the interface I am here. As the player says survey, you're going to see the different surveys that are available on ySense. And like I said, that I have personally earned $74 from this platform from when I joined. I joined in 2022. You're going to see the date, and basically what I did was completing tasks and surveys, and also sharing it with other people as well, because they also pay you on the affiliate system. Now, depending on your location, you may find surveys like this one here. You're going to see surveys here. Okay, if you click on this at the top, the menu at the top left, you would see a place that says survey. If you click on that drop down arrow, you will see complete surveys. You're going to see your histories as well. Now, if you click on offers, you're going to also see other offers that they have. ySense offers, a review, and Torres. Now, I'm sharing this platform because I have personally earned from it doing surveys, completing tags, and without even investing anything. That is completely for free. Now you're going to see other ways, other things. Now they also have a cash out, different cash out methods. So even if you are in Nigeria, in Pakistan, in India, anywhere, you can cash out with any of these cash out methods. You're going to see they have gift cards, they have PayPal, they have Zalando, and a whole lot of other ways to cash out your earning when you earn them. Okay, now you're going to see, if I click on here, you're going to see my name. You will see my balance here. The reason why I like this platform is because I have personally tried it and it worked out for me. Okay, as you can see that what I shared, my payment proof is real. Website number 2 is Prolific. Now, instead of random survey, Prolific mainly connects people with academic and AI research experience. Okay, you're going to see that here. Get paid to take studies. You're going to see that is academic experience or academic studies. Now, evaluate and train AI. Many users prefer it because the studies often pay better than typical survey sites, unlike the one I showed in ySense that doesn't really pay much. But this one, actually, if they accept you, this one may pay more better than that of ySense. But why I like ySense is that you are not going to be on a wait list, but this one you are going to be on a wait list. Okay, that's one thing about here. So availability of tax depends on your country majorly and your profile, so you may not receive studies every day. This is one thing you need to understand because of maybe your location and also your experience. But then how do you sign up so that at least you can be on the wait list? Now you can say player says start earning. If you click on this here, click on start earning, it's going to bring you down here. Now just click on this place says start here, and then once you click on it, then it will take you down to here where you can accept the cookies. So click on accept, and then you can fill out this form. Then after you fill out the form, you go to the next page, and just like that. Now remember that you may be on a wait list here on Prolific. That's why I said earlier that some of these websites I'm sharing may put you on a wait list depending on your location, your experience as well. Okay, very important. The next website, which is the last website on the list, is Clickworker. This platform offers Microtasks just like AI data labeling, writing, web research, and categorization. Now, depending on your location as well, you may receive jobs, but sometimes your location might be the reason why you may not receive job often. So experience will always vary based on location, based on qualification, and also based on your experience. So it's important you understand this very well. But Clickworker, it's a legit platform, and there are a lot of many users who have said many positive things about this platform called Clickworker. Now, I am sharing these three platforms because you guys said in our group that you need something that is free, completely legit, that can actually pay money, even if it doesn't pay much. And these are three legit websites that I am sharing now. To sign up on Clickworker, you just click on this menu at the top right. Now click on this where it says Clickworker Job. If you click on it, then you're going to see different things here. Okay, no, don't come back here. You're going to come back here. Just click on this where it says sign up. Now when you click on sign up, it will ask you how do you want to sign up. Okay, now you're going to see this where it says enter your gender, select your title, and the whole lot. Then after that you continue, and then you finish up the sign up process. There are 3 steps that you're going to need to complete here on Clickworker to sign up. Now once you sign up, then you can go ahead and then see maybe some tax or so, depending on your location. Remember, your location matters a lot. Yeah, so now one bonus platform is Toloka. Now Toloka focuses on AI training, tax, and data labeling. It's also free to join, and while tax availability changes over time, many people use it as an additional source of online income. Now what you want to understand is that there are no promises. What I'm sharing here is only for educational purposes and my experience. Okay, from my experience, it doesn't mean that my experience will be yours, but personally and honestly, I have earned from ySense. Among these 4 websites I've shared, I've earned from ySense, and I still earn up to today because sometimes I go there to do the tax, but my experience might not be yours. All right, so guys, if you are serious about earning online, don't rely on just one website. Create accounts on this platform that I've mentioned, because they are legitimate platforms. Complete your profile and then check them regularly for new tax. If you don't have tax today, you may have tomorrow. And if you want more videos about free online opportunities, remote jobs, and AI side hustle, just subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that you would see whenever I post new videos. You can also join our Telegram and WhatsApp community, because sometimes we share these things there. Like this one, we shared it before we post on YouTube.